Did you know that moving house is regarded as one of the top 5 stressors in life? It's right up there along with loss of a loved one, battling a life-threatening disease, loss of a job or income and livelihood, and even divorce for that matter. Now, I've moved several times in my life, and yes, it's challenging. It's a lot of hard work to pack up all your stuff, move it, unpack it again, and settle in a new place. But I also find it exciting in some ways. It's nice and fun to meet new people, to make new connections, to get to know a different area, perhaps a different culture, a different language. All sorts of interesting things one can discover when you move to a different place. And it's also an opportunity to be very creative about settling in and creating a new home for you and your family. So how well have you adjusted to relocation, or did you find it fairly difficult to do in your life? And this is one of the topics that will be covered in my Get Up and Grow community. So if you want to learn more about that, sign up. It's getupandgrow.co.za, and the link you'll find in the comments and in my bio as usual.